Are you making the absolute most of your emergency fund and savings goals right now? Money bag. That's the question I asked myself a while back when I realized my cash was sitting in a traditional savings account, practically earning dust. I was ready to upgrade to a high-yield savings account, HYSA, and like a lot of people, I started looking at Ally Bank. Ally Bank, the online savings workhorse. Ally Bank's online savings account is fantastic, and for a good reason. It's what I personally use for my main savings hub. Competitive APY. While Ally may not always have the absolute highest annual percentage yield, APY, on the market, it consistently offers a great, competitive rate that is a massive step up from traditional banks. Zero fees, zero minimums. For me, a big win is the $0 monthly fee and no minimum balance requirements. It takes the stress out of saving. The bucket feature, this is what seals the deal for me. Ally lets you organize your one savings account into up to 30 different buckets. I have buckets for my emergency fund, a new car down payment, an annual vacation, and holiday spending. All my money is in one place earning the same interest, but it's visually separated so I don't accidentally spend my new car money on a weekend getaway. It's a game changer for goal-oriented saving. Looking beyond Ally, top alternatives. But what if you're looking for an even higher rate or different features? Ally isn't the only great online bank out there. When I did my research, 3 other online options consistently stood out, and I considered them as great alternatives. Marcus by Goldman Sachs, a major contender, often matching or slightly beating Ally's APY. It also has no fees or minimums. The interface is incredibly simple and clean, which is great if you just want a straightforward, high-rate account without extra boosters or buckets. American Express High Yield Savings Account, another strong choice with no fees, no minimums, and a very competitive APY. For me, the major draw is the name recognition. I already use Amex for credit cards, and the brand trust is high. It's an excellent, reliable, no-frills option. SoFi and Wealthfront, these two often push the envelope on APY, sometimes being the highest. They usually require you to utilize a linked checking account or direct deposit to unlock the top-tier rate, which is a great incentive if you're looking to switch your entire banking relationship. Feature Ally Bank Online Savings Marcus by Goldman Sachs. American Express HYSA APY consistently competitive, often matches / slightly higher, consistently competitive monthly fees $0. $0 minimum deposit $0 unique feature savings buckets for organization, very simple, clean, and backed by Goldman Sachs high brand recognition and reliability. My conclusion. For me, the Ally Bank Online Savings Account is the best all-around ally for high-yield saving. The competitive APY combined with the bucket feature for organizing my specific financial goals keeps me in my account. I don't need the extra 0.1% APY from a competitor if it means I lose the simplicity of sorting my goals within one account. The peace of mind and organization it provides is worth more to me than chasing the absolute highest rate. If you just want the absolute highest, bare-bones rate, check out the competition. But if you want a powerful, organizational tool that consistently pays a high yield, Ally is a clear winner. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.